Is Emma Rose really the trendy and affordable women's boutique it claims to be, or is it just another cleverly disguised scam targeting online shoppers? With so many new fashion websites popping up every day, it's getting harder to tell the difference between a hidden gem and a total ripoff. That's why we decided to dig deep into EmmaRoseNY.com, a store that promises to make women feel confident and beautiful through stylish clothing at budget-friendly prices. On the surface, the website looks polished and appealing, but the moment you start looking closer, the red flags start stacking up fast. For starters, while the domain was registered back in 2022, which gives the appearance of stability, that alone doesn't prove the site is trustworthy. The About Us page offers no real story or ownership details, just generic text that you'll find copy-pasted on many questionable websites. Even more alarming is the complete lack of essential customer protection features. There's no return policy, no privacy policy, and no terms of service, meaning buyers have no clue what rights they have if something goes wrong. The physical address provided leads to a location that's marked as permanently closed on Google, raising doubts about whether this store even exists in the real world. Plus, there's no customer support number, no active social media engagement, and not a single legitimate review from buyers anywhere online. Their Facebook page isn't active and looks abandoned, with no real followers or interaction, which is often a sign of a ghost business. While there's no direct proof of scam activity, the overwhelming lack of transparency, missing policies, and suspicious details make EmmaRoseNY.com a highly risky place to shop. In short, it might not be a confirmed scam, but it certainly doesn't behave like a store that cares about customer trust. Proceed with extreme caution, and if you value your money and peace of mind, it may be best to look elsewhere.